Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with Unlock Phone's official YouTube channel. And in today's video, we have a tutorial for you guys for how to unlock the LG G6. So if you have an LG G6 or any other LG phone in the world and you need to unlock it, follow along with these steps in this tutorial and you'll be able to quickly and efficiently unlock your phone. Factory unlocking your phone is great because not only does it increase the value of the phone, you can use it anywhere in the world with any other carrier, any other SIM card with no restriction. So to begin, all we want to do is find the 15-digit IMEI number. This can be found by going into the dialer app on your LG G6 and typing in *#06#. Once you type that in, then you will get a barcode as well as the IMEI number. Make sure that you write this IMEI number down, type it in, just keep it somewhere safe and easily accessible for later on in the process. And following that, we will go to simunlockphone.com. The link will be down in the description below for our website. Once you get there, you are going to want to click shop and then find the LG IMEI unlock. Make sure you have the right carrier and model of your phone, and make sure you enter in your IMEI number and complete checkout. And now, guys, we are going to give you guys a quick little intermission to show you guys some awesome reviews from people who have used our services on Unlock Phone.
I love it. Thank you, Unlock Phone team. You guys are the best. I am so happy you guys absolutely made my day by unlocking my phone. It was really quick, really easy. I love it. I love it. I love it. I wish that I could give you guys more than 5 stars. You guys are awesome. God bless you guys, and thank you. I love you all.
Tried 2 other suppliers who could not provide an unlock code, and I ordered through Unlock Phone and received my code within the stated time frame. It took less than a minute to unlock and have an operational phone. Great service, A+, would highly recommend.
And alright, guys, as you guys can see, our customers are highly satisfied with our work and they will continue to promote Unlock Phone. To continue on the process, after you complete checkout, then you receive an email from Unlock Phone with an unlock code. Now on the phone you're going to want to unlock, go ahead and power it off, and then take out the current SIM card that's in it and then put in a new one from a different carrier. So for example, if I'm unlocking an AT&T phone, then I'll put in, say, a T-Mobile SIM and unlock it. After we do that now we will just go ahead and turn on the phone, and once the phone's on, now it will ask for a SIM network unlock pin, and this is the same pin that was sent in the email to you. And once you enter in that go ahead and click unlock, and the unlock is successful. That's all you guys had to do to unlock your LG G6. Please let us know if this tutorial helped you guys in any way. If it did, please be sure to leave us a thumbs up. Signing off, this is Drake with Unlock Phone. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.